In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate your webcam in Zoom. If your video appears sideways or upside down in Zoom, don't worry. This is a quick fix that takes just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact steps and share a few helpful tips so you know exactly what to look for and what to expect as you make the change. Start by opening the Zoom app on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your applications folder, or your taskbar, wherever you usually open Zoom. You don't need to start or join a meeting for this. We'll make the change right in the app. Next, open Settings. On the Zoom home screen, look for the small gear icon. Clicking that opens the Settings window. If you happen to already be in a meeting, you can access the same place by opening the video options and choosing Video Settings. Either way, you'll end up in the same settings panel. In the Settings window, select the Video section on the left. This is where Zoom shows a live preview of your camera. Take a look at that preview. If you're seeing yourself rotated the wrong way, maybe you're sideways or fully upside down, you're in exactly the right place to fix it. Click the Rotate 90° button under the preview. Each click rotates your camera a quarter turn. Keep clicking until your image looks correct and you're upright. You'll see the change immediately in the preview, so it's easy to stop as soon as it looks right. A quick note here. Don't confuse rotation with mirroring. Zoom may mirror your self-view by default, which just flips left and right. That's normal, and doesn't affect how others see you. Rotation, on the other hand, corrects a camera that's physically oriented the wrong way. When you're happy with how everything looks, simply close the Settings window. Zoom saves these changes automatically, so there's nothing else you need to click. The next time you start or join a meeting, your video will appear in the proper orientation. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Rotate 90° button, make sure you're using the desktop version of Zoom and that your app is reasonably up to date. Also, if you're using an external camera, a crooked mount or a camera that's physically rotated can cause the issue. Straightening the device itself can help the software rotation line up perfectly. And that's it. Open Zoom, go to Settings, select Video, click Rotate 90° until you're upright, and close Settings. You're all set for your next call. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.